excited dance. I just touched down in Bangkok, Thailand. I traveled 9,800 or 9,500 miles away from home, all by myself, because I could, because I wanted to, and I'm excited. So I spent literally basically 24 hours on a flight. And now I just got to the hotel, and I really want to give you guys a room tour because my room is dope and I'm here all alone. Let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna start the room tour here in the door. Welcome to my humble abode. And to the right of me, we have a closet disguised as a nice double full body mirror. It's like hard to tell, to see. But yeah, full body mirror. Inside the closet, ooh, that was loud. We have my robe. It actually came with like slippers too, but I just took them out the closet. I'm hiding my suitcases in here. And moving along till we walk a little bit further in the right, we have like a nice little area where I can sit down, think, process my thoughts a little, put on my shoes a little, like, you know, different things you can do here. And to the left of me, we have, this is like my favorite part of the hotel room. We have the bathroom. Isn't this gorgeous? Okay, let me tell you why it's my favorite part, okay? So you walk in, here is the tub, right? Beautiful blinds, and if you look closely, my bed is through that glass. I'm telling you, if this was a honeymoon, this right here is the room. But I'm here by myself. Over here we have a nice little shower. I think it has a bidet in there. And we have the walk-in shower. I really love this full body mirror though. I'm loving this full body mirror. Hi everyone. We have some glasses of water, which I think I'm gonna need here. Everyone's telling me not to drink anything but bottled water here for my safety. We move a little bit further. We have another secret area. Look, we have some snacks, almonds, water, coffee. And I was reading the sheet too. They have some scotch and some beer that I really want to try here. I don't think the price is too bad. I might try it. All the drinks are hidden here. So that's something I'm gonna look into later on today. We're gonna close this back up. And then we're gonna go on to the next hidden closet. Woo! And it's literally just where I hang up my clothes. I'll put my shoes up there when I'm ready. Right now, after this long flight, I don't wanna unpack my clothes. I literally just want to take a shower. And here we have it. Ah! This is my king size bed. I have a king size bed all to myself. Oh my gosh, but there we have it. That is my king size bed. Might as well wear the glasses right now. That is my king size bed all to myself. Kind of messed it up a little bit, but I still love it. We have, once again, I told you, from the bed, you can see the nice tub. I'm not really one to use tubs in hotels, but I'm very tempted to take a bath tonight just so I could watch TV from the tub. That's dope. Okay. I didn't even show you. So next to the TV, we have the TV here. Of course, it's in front of the bed. Nice little flash screen, yada yada, nothing special. DVD player under. But I was thinking this. Where am I gonna play my music, guys? It comes with a nice speaker. So I can blast my music here. It also comes with some speakers here, which is connected to, this is one of the coolest parts, a phone that they gave me to contact everyone. So here we have the desk area. As you can see, that's where the window is. And by the desk area, we have a phone this phone. I thought it was an iPhone at first. They tricked me. It is not an iPhone. But look, it has a city guide. I can call room service. I can make plans. I can see a city map, download apps, and this is my phone for my entire stay. So this is dope. It has full service because right now my actual phone is roaming, so that's just great. We'll put this here. It's another place I can play my music from. Of course, we have the light on the desk, which I'm probably gonna need if I start studying for my MCAT books, or have time to study for my MCAT books. Of course, they have nice food menus, and next to that, let's get down a little bit. We have all of the charger port. Did I just fall? I just fell. Let me get up. Redo. So here are the charger ports. Look at that. This is a universal charger port. So it actually does take American chargers or power electricity plugs. And then I can plug in my phone and everything from here. Moving along. I know, like, the best part is really the view. Let me go over here. The lighting's a little better. The best part, of course, is the view. So I'm gonna save that for last. Anywho. So next to the bed, we have a nice little couch, yada yada, get comfortable. We have a nice little table. Nice and smell the roses, even though these aren't roses. And then here we go, the view. Love the view here. So let's get into it. I feel like, can you see behind me? I'm gonna show you a closer view. Oh my gosh, it's great. Here we go. All of Thailand is literally behind me. Look how high I am. So you can see all of, like, basically, you can kind of see a city line. I'm in the city, so I'm part of the city line, I guess. Yeah, so look. This is great. You can see some of the neighboring hotels and their pools. And as you can see, here's a main street. I don't know, can you see that, guys? And in the main street, you can see all the cars driving. And what I've noticed that the cars here are not just your typical black, silver, gray kind of thing. These cars, look at that. That car is green, lime green. They have Pepto-Bismol pink cars. Maybe I should go back here where the lighting's better. They have Pepto-Bismol pink cars. That's like 3 different neon yellow cars. And no, they're not taxis. Like, so cool. So nonetheless, like I told you, I am so happy to be here in Thailand. So happy that I made it here safe. I have a lot planned for this trip here. I'm here for a total of, well, my whole trip is 10 days. I'll be in Thailand for a total of 8 days. Day 1 was me traveling, which you've seen a little bit earlier. I made it here. So guys, that was basically my day 1 of my Thailand trip. I took a 14-hour flight to Shanghai, and from Shanghai I flew to Bangkok, and now that's where I am now. I'm here in Bangkok. I have a lot planned for this trip. I'll be in Bangkok for 4 days. Four days. And after that, I'll be going to Phuket. Very, very excited about this trip. I have so much planned. Please stick around, watch my next vlog, and I hope you enjoyed the first one.
If you're listening to this right now, it's likely because you watched the entire video straight through, and for that, I would like to thank you guys so much. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't had a chance to already. I do have a lot more footage to show you guys of Thailand and just a lot more ideas and content to share with you guys, period. So again, click that subscribe button. Thank you guys. Until later.